Hello, students. Mr. Yun here. Welcome to Advanced World Studies. You're here in advance because you're pretty good at history, or somebody in the sixth grade thinks pretty highly of you. Welcome to the big leagues. To start off, we really need to do a course tour. I'm going to show you around, and we're going to start off with, of course, our front page, as there are a lot of relevant links up here that will be pretty useful. Starting off, we have our course welcome. Probably a good place to start. Read a little message here. It's got jokes in it. Good stuff. Very important, my contact block right here. So I'm Mr. Yund. There's my shining face. Looks a lot like this. With my phone number. You'll see it's a 412 number. That's because I'm on the Pittsburgh side. I'm in the Pittsburgh office. Most of your teachers, a lot of them, will be over in the Westchester side. So if you head to a picnic over there, chances are I won't be there. I'll be at the picnics here on the Pittsburgh side. You'll see my extension's 1509. That takes it to this right here. My phone right here in my happy little workspace. Feel free to call anytime. You can email me, of course. A lot of students, the vast majority of students, just Canvas inbox me right like that. All right, moving on. Let's have some important links here. Down here is where you click to upload your badge, and that takes you to the modules page, which is linked right here and right here. But we'll get back to that in a minute because that's where most of the content's at. We also have our Zoom room. Our Zoom room is basically, it's like our virtual chat room with video. Uh, that's where we do our virtual lessons and our lesson help, which the schedule is linked right here. You'll see that we have virtual lessons 3 times a week. Wednesday at 1, Thursday at 2, and Friday at 10 a.m. This is where I present a lesson to you in video form, and you're there, and we can talk, and we can chat, and learn history together, sort of like in a brick and mortar school, except through our computers. Now, I always present the same lesson 3 times, so you can come either Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. It's supposed to be flexible here at Cyber School. If you want to come to the same lesson more than once, feel free. We do a lot of Kahoot quizzes, which is sort of a game show kind of quiz format at the end of our virtual lessons. And some people like to come and win, and they're very competitive, so they'll come more than once. Office hours is a time set aside for me to have my room open, but not have any content to teach, and that is basically like you coming to me for face-to-face help. That could be anything from a quiz question, you're not sure why you got this score, you don't know how to answer this essay question, anything like that. Just stop in by. All the times are posted here. You'll see that I have office hours every single day of the week. So if you really need help, you can message me, email me, call me, or just come to the office hours. It's up to you. There's a lot of ways you can come see me for help. Some other important links up here. We have recordings. This is virtual lesson recordings. If you click on this, it'll take you to a page where I basically link the recording of one virtual lesson a week. So we have class 3 times a week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. At the end of the week, I'll take the one that had the most kids or was the best or went the smoothest, and I'll put it here. So if you miss all the virtual lessons a week, you can watch it. We have resources. This is a page I just kind of built up over the years, filled with some links for websites that you probably use throughout the course of the year. We have a lot of news websites. We've got CNN, NBC, Fox News, Politico. Don't feel constrained to those news sites when you need a news site. Those are just a good place to start. We also have the History Channel here and Nearpod, which is a tool we use a lot in our virtual lessons. Moving back, we have grades. This is essentially your grade book. When I click on it, it gives me my grade book for all of you. There's nothing in there yet because school hasn't started yet. When you click on it, it'll just be you, whoever you happen to be. And the last link we have up here is Canvas Help, which takes you to a page that is a Canvas page that is kind of like an FAQ or an instruction guide for Canvas itself. Now, earlier in the tour, we talked about the modules or lesson page. Same thing, it's going to take you to the same place. We click on it. This is really where the bulk of the content of the course is. You see here's the onboarding upload assignment. If you did that, that will have gotten you here to the course tour, and you'll see that we already have opened our first graded assignment, which is a sort of meet and greet type of thing. There's a page here with me talking about me and where I'm from and all that, and then there's going to be an assignment where you tell me about you. After that, you'll see we have the syllabus, we have a Patriot Day, a September 11th type lesson, and some skills practice type lessons that I haven't unlocked yet. Good rule of thumb is your teachers, for the most part, will have assignments unlocked 5 school days in advance. So the beginning of the year is a good time to work ahead. Generally, something will be opened, unlocked, or the highly technical term published, as in green here. You can see it as the student, like 5 days in advance. So you have 5 whole days to do an assignment if you want. Most of my students, for the last, as long as I've been teaching here, will come in and do an assignment on its due date. So, for example, down here, if something is due on September 18th, they'll come in to school on September 18th, log in, and do that assignment, and then the next day they'll do this. But you do have the capability to work ahead if you want. Some kids do, a lot of don't. Looking at the first week or so of school, it's all pretty easy stuff. Things like going over the course, details of the course, making sure you know when the virtual lessons are, and some basic skills practice. Don't look to be challenged too much this first week, but we'll be getting into content somewhere around the 18th of September, a few weeks away. That's really it for now. One last thing I want to go over before I leave you on this course tour, our textbook. This is what it looks like. This is a teacher edition, so it's a little bigger. Big green book, King Tut on the front. World Studies. For you, many of you, most of you, you will have a digital copy, which will be located at this link right here, Connect Ed. Most of your school textbooks will be on this one Connect Ed account. So once you get your login information, which I believe I'll be providing to you at a later date, you use your username, your password, you log into your Connect Ed account, and most of your textbooks will be digital in there. Some of you will receive a physical copy, but for the most of you, it'll be online at this link, Connect Ed. That's it for now. I want to make sure I didn't miss anything. I'm a note taker. I think we pretty much have it. One last time, feel free to contact me by any method. The first week or so, there can be some bumps. It can be a little confusing, so contact me if you have any confusion. You can't find where to start, anything like that. And that's pretty much it. News and updates will be right here, saying things like what the virtual lesson is going to be about this week, next week. Anything important will be there, or come out through your announcements, or I'll inbox you. There's a lot of communication involved in this cyber school experience. I'll be talking to you a lot, so it helps if you talk back to me. That's it for now. Welcome to the class. I can't wait to get started teaching history, and I'm happy to have you. Have a great day.